intimacy is a choice. You are not having sex with that person. You are just enjoying their energy, and it's okay. The next time an arousal like that comes, learn to magnify it. Learn to let it free flow through your entire body in spite of just, yeah. अट्रैक्शन क्या होता है? ऐसा क्यों होता है कि आपका वो बेस्ट फ्रेंड जो कि आपको पता है आपसे ज़्यादा गुड लुकिंग नहीं है, स्टिल इज डेटिंग वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल वुमेन आउट देयर दैट यू पर्सनली लव्ड वंस? ओके, इसके अलावा व्हाई इज इट दैट कि वो लड़की जिसके पीछे आपके सारे के सारे दोस्त पागल हो रखे हैं बट स्टिल शी डज नॉट डू इट फॉर यू? वन वर्ड आंसर, पोलैरिटी. जानना चाहोगे पोलैरिटी के बारे में? Cool. In these specific chapters, I'm going to be telling you about polarity. Polarity क्या होती है and how can you use it to level up your attraction game. Everything is possible because this is the way of the superior man.
I'm OG, y'all new to the game.
नमस्ते, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, केम छो, जय श्री कृष्णा. आई होप यू ऑल आर हैविंग अ क्रैकर ऑफ अ संडे, मंडे और व्हाटएवर डे यू लिव इन. दिस इज गीत चौधरी और आज हमारे इस वीडियो में यस वी आर गोइंग टू बी टेलिंग यू अबाउट पोलैरिटी. सो बिफोर वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम लेट्स बिगिन. पोलैरिटी क्या है? साइंस क्लास का मैग्नेट चैप्टर याद है जिसमें नॉर्थ पोल साउथ पोल होते थे. अपोजिट अट्रैक्ट्स, सिमिलर रिपेल. सिमिलरली नॉर्थ पोल साउथ पोल इन सब पोल्स की जगह आप रख दीजिए मैस्कुलिन फेमिनिन. यस दैट्स इट, यही पोलैरिटी है. अपोजिट अट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगे, सिमिलर रिपेल हो जाएंगे. सिंपल, कूल, बाय. नो सीरियसली, इट्स दैट सिंपल. यही है पोलैरिटी. शिव शक्ति कह दो, यिंग यांग कह दो, डिवाइन मैस्कुलिन डिवाइन फेमिनिन कह दो, इट्स ऑल पोलैरिटी. हम सब के अंदर मैस्कुलिन और फेमिनिन एनर्जीज होती है एंड दैट्स ओके, दैट्स कंप्लीट नेचुरल. बट प्रीडोमिनेटली एक मेल के अंदर ज़्यादा मैस्कुलिन क्वालिटीज़ होती है, एक फीमेल के अंदर फेमिनिन क्वालिटीज़ रहती है. ये सारी की सारी क्वालिटीज़ जो आपकी स्क्रीन पर इस वक्त दिख रही है, दीज आर प्रीडोमिनेट इन अ मेल एंड इन अ फीमेल. अंडरस्टूड? ओके, गुड. Research shows that कि in 80% of the relationship, out of 100% of relationship, 80% of relationship में ये होता है कि मेल जो है वो मैस्कुलिन रहता है और फीमेल है जो फेमिनिन रहती है. बाकी के जो 10% बचे हैं उसमें से 10% ऐसे रिलेशनशिप होते हैं जिसमें मेल फेमिनिन है एंड फीमेल मैस्कुलिन है, और बाकी का बच्चा जो आखिरी वाला 10% रिलेशनशिप होता है उसमें दोनों की दोनों बहुत ही न्यूट्रल है. Like both are very much on the neutral scale on masculine and feminine. Both are at the neutral stage. In that relationship, it's okay. You don't have such passionate love making or something like that. In that kind of relationship, वो लोग हर चीज़ों के बारे में बात करते हैं. But there's just not that much passion. For a passionate, supremely passionate relationship, it is essential to have a masculine or feminine polarity. बहुत ज़्यादा polarical difference होगा, उतना ही ज़्यादा वो bond, उतना ही ज़्यादा वो relationship passionate होगा. Speaking of a good relationship, it would be really good of a relationship between us if you would just give me one of those beautiful likes and say, Geet, we love your content in the comment section, as well as subscribe to the channel. Subscribing is very important. We are a growing channel. It would really mean a lot. Thank you. Subscribe करो, जाओ. करा? Subscribe कर दिया? Are you sure? कर दिया? Good. Thank you. Now, as I've told you about the masculine and feminine, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है कि एक इंसान completely masculine है और एक इंसान completely feminine है. हम सब के अंदर कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई masculine and feminine quality होती है. But predominantly in a male there are the specific masculine qualities and in a female there are these specific feminine qualities, and it's okay, it's natural to be what you are. और ये बहुत important है एक healthy relationship में होने के लिए. If you are a feminine man and if you are with a feminine woman, then आपका जो relationship है वो purpose driven होगा ही नहीं. आप दोनों के दोनों बहुत chaotic stages में रहोगे. आप दोनों को ही समझ नहीं आएगा आपकी लाइफ किस साइड में जा रही है. एंड इफ़ यू आर अ मैस्कुलिन मैन एंड इफ़ यू आर विद अ मैस्कुलिन वुमन, तो आप लोगों के बीच में झगड़ा ही इतना ज़्यादा होगा कि आप कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. सो यू हैव टू नो, यू हैव टू डिस्कवर व्हाट यू आर. इफ़ यू आर अ फेमिनिन मैन, देन यू शुड गो विद अ मैस्कुलिन वुमन एंड वाइस वर्सा. Chapter 1. Your attraction to the feminine is inevitable. Masculine men are attracted to all forms of feminine energy, which is radiant, moving, and enlivening. It is all present in the form of beer, music, nature, ocean, and obviously beautiful women. Beautiful women can inspire you for days, months, or even years. And if you feel ashamed about your attraction to the feminine, it shows your negation to your own sexual code. You should know that it is completely natural to be attracted to a feminine energy. It's in your nature to be attracted. You should receive her vision as a blessing. Women are a blessing in themselves. So the next time the arousal comes, don't try to hide your attraction from that. Learn to magnify that arousal, that attraction. Intimacy is a choice. You are not having sex with that person. You are just enjoying their energy, and it's okay. The next time an arousal like that comes, learn to magnify it. Learn to let it free flow through your entire body in spite of just okay. Chapter 2. Choose a woman who is your complementary opposite. As I mentioned earlier, most men are masculine by nature, and only a feminine woman can give the gifts that we desire. But in सब beautiful feminine gifts के साथ आता है chaos, जो हमें बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. As a man, with practice, you can learn to love her chaos as much as the feminine gifts you enjoy. And let me tell you, as a masculine man, you will only be enlivened and healed and inspired by a woman who is feminine, irrespective of the chaos. And to make your relationship work, you should also watch the first video that I put on the channel that is about a man's purpose. It is very, very, very important. Go, make sure you check that out and then come back to the video again. Chapter 4. Know what is important in your woman. The more you desire of everything from your woman, the less you will get of anything from your woman. कैसे? आप चाहते हो कि the love of your life should be your business partner, should be your friend, as well as the mother of your child. But it does not happen like that. क्यों? Because when your woman would be doing all sorts of jobs at the same time, these energies will eventually cancel each other out and you will left out with a very neutralized lens. कैसे? Business by its nature is a very masculine sort of skill. Friendship अपने आप में काफी एक sexually neutralized चीज है, and the mother of your child is a completely different thing in itself. So ऐसा हो सकता है कि the love of your life is your business partner too, but to make it happen, to make it success, you will have to prioritize what is important to you in the relationship. And when you will prioritize what is important in the relationship, everyone will be able to sort it out all together. But you have to prioritize क्या आपके लिए relationship में important है. Chapter 5. Young women offer you special energy. ऐसा इसलिए होता है because when a woman is younger, she speaks of the beautiful radiant energy, and that energy is unobstructed. As she grows older, she builds up layers of protection against the masculine forces of task and duty. In cultures of wisdom, these beautiful feminine women are often cherished and honored to perform the sacred ritual arts. So as a man, it's your responsibility to honor and cherish these beautiful women's energy without violating them or imposing your sexual nature on them. Whenever such arousal occurs, I told you in the previous chapter, circulate it through your body, but cherish that woman. Women are a blessing. Last but not least, every woman has a temperature, and this temperature can either heal you or irritate you. As man, हमें एक intuitive sense होता है that we can judge a woman by her energy. कैसे? There are some women who are very cool and soothing, and being in their company is very peaceful. And then there are some spicy senoritas जिनकी energy और जिनकी presence में आते ही we feel so much pumped up and so much energetic. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि that spicy senorita, the love of your life that you once cherished so much, is kind of irritating to you. Her energy irritates you, and you may find peace in some another woman's company. But you should know that ये जो change है energy need का, this is quite easy to manage. You can change your diet, you can change your lifestyle to manage and cope up with the changing in need of energy, or you can communicate with your woman what is it that you desire from her. But if you leave your woman just because of that your energies were not getting met, you will find out that after a few months your energy need will soon be changed again, and you will know that you have made a very superficial choice. So communicate with your woman what is it that you desire. If you feel that she should be much more energetic and passionate with you, maybe she will understand, maybe she will not, but at least communicate. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you all loved it. I loved making it myself. Thank you so much for watching. इन सब की चीज़ों की links हम description में नीचे दे देंगे. Make sure you are subscribing to the channel as well as liking to the video. Bye bye. शबा खैर, अगली बार मिलते हैं. Bye.